Hey, what's going on? Mike Hobbs here. And one question we get all the time being in a sales and marketing company is do these safe lists and traffic exchange sites work for affiliate marketing and building a business from home? And I'm just going to come out and just tell you my quick story on my experience with them. When I first got online, I started using them. In fact, I was broke, I had no money, and a lot of people go to these sites because they're in the same situation. They don't have any money for advertising. And so the whole idea of you just clicking on websites and earning some credits so that other people can click your website, it was actually appealing. I was like, okay, that's an easy way to get free traffic. But one thing that I will just say, if you want to make any marketing work, anything work, especially traffic exchanges or these safe lists, you have to understand the market. And so just think about what a traffic exchange is. They are literally people who are trying to get clicks to their website. They're not trying to buy someone else's business opportunity, but they usually have their own business opportunity and they are there trying to get people to their website. And so when I first started doing them, I was just putting my business on there, my capture page for my business and hey, learn how to make money, learn how to do this, learn how to do that. And then I didn't realize that wasn't the target market of people who are actually sitting there watching a website or clicking on an email in the safe list. This is why they're there. They're doing that so that they can get visitors to their opportunity. Okay, so they're not looking for another opportunity. Every now and then, could you convert someone over? Yeah, you could. But I'll tell you, when I was doing that and I was just promoting my replicated website, it wasn't working. In fact, if you want to look at my opt in percentage, a good opt in percentage, by the way, is 30, 40, 50% opt in rate, right? That's like an excellent opt in rate for a capture page. Mine was like 0.000000001%. Right, from these traffic exchanges for my opportunity. And then one day I was just like, you know what? Everybody on here is just trying to do the same thing. They're all just trying to get more leads and sales for their business. They're not looking for my business. So I changed my strategy up a little bit and I was like, okay, well, I'm going to create a capture page with a less than 30 or 20-second video because it was like you had to be on a website for 20 seconds. And so I was like, okay, I'm going to do a 20-second video and I'm just going to grab their attention and give them exactly what they're looking for. And so I don't know if this still works to this day. This is just what works with me when I did it. So I did a 20-second video and I just auto played it and I was just like, "Hey, I know you're surfing on this traffic exchanges. How would you like to get better results from these and combine this with this tool that I'm using to get more sales for your business?" And put your email in below, and then you can look at it later and after you're done surfing on these sites. So again, I just started talking to the exact person who was looking at my website and giving them exactly what they are looking for. And then all of a sudden, I started getting a 1% opt in rate. And I know that sounds horribly bad, right? But that's way better than 0.0000001%. And I kid you not, the next day I made a sale from that traffic exchange. And I was ecstatic. I was like, wow, I made a sale in this tool that I'm using. And it was a tool that people can use to build their business. So I did figure out a way to make them work. But I will say, my results were a lot lower than other forms of marketing. So, yes, can you make traffic exchanges work with affiliate marketing? Yes, you can if you have the right strategy and you think outside the box and you target that market and you give them exactly what they're looking for. Yes, you can make them work, but your results are going to be very, very low because you're going to get, like I said, less than 1% opt in rate. And you're going to end up sitting there clicking on websites for hours on end and that's not a very fun activity to do when you could be spending those hours from clicking on websites. You could be spending it on a better and a more effective marketing strategy. So what I recommend traffic exchanges and safe lists, I actually do not recommend them anymore, but if you want to do them, you can make them work if you have the right strategy. So one thing that I do is I do help other affiliate marketers generate more leads and make more sales in their business. And so if you want to find out more about strategies that work, there's other strategies out there that are free and there's some that are paid. If you want to find out more about all of that and find out about the business that we're in, I can coach you and I can help you on finding a better marketing method that will work for you. Just go over to seekprosperity.com and find out more about our business. And if you got value from this, give it a like, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye for now.